Hello and welcome to part 2 of this series, if you want to call it that, of changing any leather parts in my Volvo S40. So yesterday we changed the gear gaiter cover and looks beautiful, it's come out really well. But today we're going to change the cover for the handbrake. So at this moment in time, as we can see, this is a beautiful red leather now, matching all the other trim pieces, but we've got this ugly bit of leather here. So we'll go through the process to remove this and then look to replace it with the new material, dye it and replace it. So enjoy the journey and let's get on with it. To remove this, all we got to do is unclip. Stick your knife in here. As you see, it has been done before, just to make my life easier. Just put your knife in and try and prise this plastic bit out. So plastic is off. I can see it's quite dirty actually, so definitely give that a clean before it goes back in. But all out, ready for the making of the new part. Now with the cover off, we'll go and remove the plastic frame. Very similar to what we did yesterday. Unfortunately this is broken, but it's alright. What we'll need to do now is separate this out into the single sheet. As we can see, this also has the sewn edge at the top, so I'll have to try and replicate this, but we shall have to see. We'll see if we can use this elastic cord here again, just to create that. So here we have the whole thing unstitched, ready to transfer onto the new material. Here we have the fresh leather again, and the new part. So all I need to do is transfer this design onto here, ready to cut out. Material now cut. It's time to dye the leather, same as previously, doing it in stages in a single direction. now see the colour is much better. Right, now it's time to start the process of sewing it together. So earlier I took this elastic piece out of the old one, so I need to implement that into the top so that when it's sewn together it will grip round the shaft of the hammer. Now I have one edge all stitched. It's only hand stitched, so it's not perfect, but now we just need to join these two edges up together to create the full shape of the shroud. Have it all stitched up, stitched along this edge and along with this, so we'll turn it inside out, make sure it looks alright, there's no gaps in the fabric. As you can see, there isn't, so it's good. Very nice, that's come out very nice. What we'll do is we'll go test it on the gear knob, make sure this is a tight fit, and then we're all good to go to put back. The stitching done on this part, we can now look to attach the frame. It is broken, but not a lot I can do about that at the moment, so I'll just attach it as is and then put it all back together. Right, now we can look to replace this back into the car. And now place this back on. So here we have the finished cover, looking absolutely beautiful, matching everything else, and just those little touches that improve it so much more. But thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, like and all that jazz, but see you in the next video.